This is my WordPress website running locally, and it looks exactly like any other WordPress website should, right? If you're wondering how you can set up WordPress on your local machine that is on your laptop, make sure you keep watching, because I'll show you how to do that in this video. There might be a few different reasons why you want to host your WordPress website locally. 1. You don't need to pay for any hosting or domain names. It's completely free. 2. You can try and test out WordPress and see if it's for you. You can try out different themes and so on. 3. You can even develop and design your full WordPress website locally, before uploading it onto your live web hosting server. There's so many different methods to use WordPress locally, such as using WAMP, XAMPP, MAMP or Bitnami. But in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website locally using what's called Local by Flywheel. If you haven't watched these two videos, please watch and come back. Let's install the Local by Flywheel software. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Once you're here, go ahead and press download. I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm going to choose Windows and fill some personal information. Press Get Now. As you can see, Local has started downloading, and it's done. Let's open the downloaded file to complete the installation process. I'm just going to keep most of the settings default and press install. There we go. Installation has been completed, and let's run the local software. Let's create a WordPress site by pressing on Create a New Site button. Press Continue. Now we can give a name to a site. It can be anything you want. I'm just going to call it iTerror. Press Continue. Press Continue again. Enter your WordPress username, password, and your email address, which you can use while logging into your WordPress dashboard. We're going to press Add Site. There we go. A website has now been set up. All you have to do is click on icon which says WP Admin. This will open up your WordPress login page. Type in the username and password we just created and hit login. Here we are in a WordPress dashboard, and from here you have complete freedom to do whatever you'd like with your WordPress website, just as if you're doing it on your live web server. Let's install theme and plugin. We're going to go into Themes under Appearance option to install the Astra theme. Click on Add New button. Search for Astra theme and install it. Once it's installed, we can press Activate. There we go. We've installed our WordPress theme all on our local website. We can also install the plugin called Starter Templates as it's prompted right here. Click on Get Started to install Starter Template plugin. If you don't know what a starter template is, they're pre-designed, beautiful, and fully functional WordPress templates that we can install in just a few minutes. This is what starter templates looks like. Press Build Your Website. You can choose a page builder of your choice to begin building your website with. If you don't know what a page builder is, it's a visual tool that lets you build beautiful websites without having to use any coding. So for this one, let's go ahead with Block Editor. Here we are in our library of starter templates. As you can see, there's so many different options to choose from. Whether you have a fashion designer website, plant shop meditation course, and so much more. Let's go ahead and select one. For this video, I'll go with Tech Startup. Before loading up the template, you can upload your logo straight from here. You can choose a color scheme that best matches your branding or the type of colors that you want to use. You can even choose an alternative font style from one of these preset professionally chosen font combinations. Then we can begin installing a starter template. Give few details for starter template and hit submit. Yay! We have successfully installed starter template. Once you've loaded up your starter template, here it is. It looks amazing, it looks beautiful, and it's fully functional. This gives you an amazing starting point to start building and designing your website before actually uploading onto your live web hosting server. That's it for this tutorial. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you again with new video.